Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, wherever you are all over the world. It's AB your girl, AB Media. Try and subscribe to my channel if you never subscribe. Subscribe and share and like, please. Everyone that is watching me, my friends, everybody. I hope that you're okay. I hope everything is all right. I hope God is blessing you wherever you are. May God bless you more and more. In Jesus' name. Amen. Today's topic, I want to talk about something that is happening to men and women. Today, I just want to talk about it. You know, there is, but today, I want to talk about men. Another time, I will talk about women. Today, what I want to talk about is about Sarah, something that is disturbing many men in their body. The cholesterol is not good for health. It's very, very bad in his body. It can make man they cannot walk. Cholesterol is very, very bad. It can cause many things. It can cause someone to paralyze. It can make someone to die. You just see the person, they will say this person just fall down and die. But you don't know what causes it. Someone will say it's the winch from the village. Is this from the village? Is the uncle that killed him? Sometimes it's because of our body. Our body we have to be checking up. Go to hospital, check ourselves. Some people, they cannot drink even one medicine. They cannot dissolve themselves for taking one medicine. This cholesterol can kill anyone. You will see some women, they are married. Their husband cannot perform in the bed. It's cholesterol is causing it. And too much sugar. Cholesterol can cause a lot of things in damage in a man. It cannot sleep with your wife. It cannot enjoy with your wife. It will be weak. Even to make love it cannot make love to anyone. You'll be tired, so much tired. Cholesterol can make your body to be so weak. You feel so weak. Sometimes you'll be tired. But it's cholesterol. Cholesterol is too bad for the body. So much bad. This have caused a lot of things in men's body. It can make man not take in, will make his wife pregnant. You'll be feeling cold. You'll be feeling your body will be swelling up. Your tummy. You see some men, their belly is like boom, like fufu. Cholesterol can damage many things in his body. Cholesterol is very, very bad for body. Cholesterol can make you do anything. Even you're married, but sex will not hungry you to do. It cannot make love to your wife. It cannot do anything. It damages a lot of men's body. But they don't know about cholesterol. Even too much African people sell. Too much. Not white people. But this African much. It's too much in Africa. The next thing they will say that is the wind that pursuing the person from village. Is the uncle that killed him. Sometimes many is cholesterol. Cholesterol can damage a lot of things in his body for a man. It cannot sleep with your wife. It cannot make love to your wife. Nothing. Even to make the love self is like by force. They are by force, or your wife is by forcing you. You'll be nagging. Just leave me. I'm so tired. Let me sleep. But you don't know that cholesterol is causing it. When you take a medicine about this cholesterol, you will see everything will clear. Everything will be okay. Even some men, when they sleep and wake up in the morning, their body is supposed to stand as a man. Early morning, their body is supposed to stand as a man in the morning when you wake up. But many men, their body cannot stand even though they wake up in the morning. Cholesterol have finished the person. Anybody that know that that kind of thing is not, his body is not performed like that, my dear, have to go to hospital. Cholesterol is very, very bad. You will see some men, their body cannot stand in the morning when they woke up. They cannot stand, they cannot do anything. Their dick will be just like that, like sleep. Their body cannot shake. Cholesterol can cause a lot of things in his body. A man, especially man, because some people, these things destroy many marriage. You will see the woman be going outside saying, as you cannot do, let me go and do for outside, which is very, very wrong. You and your wife, your partner, are supposed to put together and fight for those things and know what is the problem. Not the woman. The woman will be going outside say my husband cannot do. It's your husband. It's your wife. You can explain to him what is the problem, how is the problem is disturbing you. Cholesterol can make somebody, you will be very weak. You will be very weak. It cannot perform. You will see your woman, your wife is very beautiful, but to touch your wife, oh God, you'll be tired, you'll be weak. Your wife will even wear sexy things, wear nice things to attract you, but he cannot perform. You'll be looking only eyes, but he cannot touch. If he touch you, you say, Joe, leave me. You say, leave me, I'm so tired. My dear, you have to say, if you want the medicine of cholesterol, just write me. Go to my email, you see AB Media, go to my email, just write me. Let me give you the medicine that will cure your cholesterol. Everything, you will see your body will be, early morning your body will be standing. Bam. Even your wife that said that you cannot do, you will see your wife will be begging you. Say, oh honey, it's okay now. Cholesterol is very, very bad. Cholesterol can destroy many things, a lot of things. It's that it have destroyed many homes. It have destroyed a lot of things in the body for men. It have caused a lot of things in men's body. I will talk about woman another time. When you wake up, about cholesterol, when you wake up in the morning, you will be seeing your body cannot stand as a man. It's supposed when you wake up in the morning, you will see your body stand as a man, strong. Even that early morning, you can even sleep with your wife. Even though you don't sleep with your wife, you will see the thing that this one, I'm okay. 24 hours, I'm very, very okay. But when you wake up in the morning, you will see the thing self no dey even show. And you no care. Many guys, many men, they don't put their heads to understand, to even think what is causing this thing. If you check when you're growing up, even when you're growing up, when you wake up in the morning, you will see where your body will be okay. Even when you're small, you can even watch small kids. When your body is small, you will see when you wake up in the morning, your body will be made bam. But now your body, you cannot even go. Your head supposed to think. Since now my body cannot stand in the morning, early morning. I cannot stand. I cannot even do anything. I don't understand. My dear, cholesterol is destroying many homes. You have to check yourself. You have to do a lot of lab. You have to many of our doctors in Africa, they don't know about cholesterol. You tell them cholesterol is disturbing you, they will go and give you fever medicine. They will tell you, say, don't worry. There's one of my friends that just come back from Africa. When the guy come back, he's just telling me about her. He say, Mama, my wife, I cannot perform. My wife, I cannot perform for her. I will be seeing my babe look hot, but I cannot even though you wear anything, I cannot even, I will say, the only eyes I will be looking, but I cannot perform. the woman will wear good things to attract his husband, but the guy cannot perform anything. The guy will be looking only eyes. If the woman touch you, will say, leave me, I don't get strength, I'm thinking a lot of things, I'm thinking money. It's a lie. You see now, if the guy no open up and tell me about it, I say, Kurasara have a lot of things. When you write me in my box, I will tell you how to cure Kurasara and the medicine I will get for you from Turkey here that will cure your Kurasara. And when you drink it finish, you will tell everyone what this woman have said. Kurasara is very bad thing in his body. I say this guy, if you see this guy belle is just swelling up. And he went to doctor in Nigeria. He went to doctor. A lot of doctor. He tell the doctor, I want to check lab. Doctor check and give him another medicine wey no even relate with Kurasara. This guy treat the Kurasara, no work. As he come back from Turkey here, I just give him Kurasara medicine. As he speak to me, as he told me everything, tell me cannot. This I tell you, even him, he's ready to go. He say when he's going back now to Africa now, that the girlfriend will, the wife will be wrong. They will run. I say, why like that now? You understand me? He said because his body is hot now. The medicine I give to him cure everything. When you wake up early morning, you will see everything again. He say, mama, something dey happen for this world oh. This thing want to kill me. I say, it will not kill you. I say, if you no open mouth and tell me, you will see now, you will be having a more problem sef. Even before you know, the thing will cause a lot of things in your body. Kurasara is very bad. Many people don't know about it. They are just, they don't care. When you sit down, think what this woman said in this YouTube. Check what I said. I said, if you remember, before your body is okay, if you wake up around early morning, you will see your body stand like this. Boom. Even they chook your wife for back. The thing go, they touch your wife for back because it's just strong. But when Kurasara come inside the body, Kurasara can make the thing, it cannot even walk. Chook what for back? You will not chook anything again for back. You will not even stay. If you lie down with your wife, it cannot even do anything. It will be like slippers. Kurasara is very bad for body. So bad. It can destroy a lot of things. And many guys are crying. They will not tell you now. If this guy no open up because he knows me, if you no open up now, the guy will just be sick. Kurasara steady. The thing is disturbing this guy. He say he spend 200,000, but no doctor cure it. They will give him another medicine. They will go and give him. They will say, okay, let me give you drip. He take drip. After almost 200,000, I take too. Nothing. The thing is not working. But this is how much I buy it in Turkey here. I buy it and give to him. This guy is greeting me every day. You come to my place, you say, mama, this thing you give to me, this thing is very good though. It's many guys are dying. I say I cannot talk to my wife. I cannot even, if you might see my wife like this, I will say, if you touch me, I will be scared. So my dear, you have to treat Kurasara. Kurasara is very bad for the body. And it's making a lot of things. I will talk about woman own Kurasara for about woman too. It destroyed many things in his body. Everybody. Especially man. A lot of men, they cannot speak. Shame, because of shame, they cannot speak out. They cannot perform. They cannot do anything for their wife. They will see their beautiful wife they marry, but they cannot touch their wife. In the morning like this, your body supposed to get dim. Early morning, like 5 o'clock, early morning 4. body will be like slippers. E cannot even if you still wake up, you go piss, but body will not stand. Many are dying for it. Many is disturbing many guys. Sometimes you have to go and check yourself. Check yourself. It's good to go to hospital. Sometimes you check yourself. Even some doctor that you see is a quack doctor. They don't know anything. They will tell you. They will tell you. You tell them because they will go and check another thing. Go to a good hospital. When you see a good hospital, you know it can eat you money, small money, but they will work. Go to a good hospital. Check yourself. If you check yourself, you will see everything will go. Cholesterol is very, very bad. But if you want me to get the medicine for you, write me. Just write me. I will answer you and I will show you the medicine that can cure cholesterol. If you want, I can buy it in Turkey for you. Cholesterol is very, very bad. My brothers, very, very bad. I love you all. AB Media. Try and subscribe my channel. I love you. May God bless you all as you're watching me. Subscribe and share and like. Love you all. Bless you. May God keep you alive. May your business prosper. Everything that you are putting in your hand, let it be prosper. God love you all. And I love you all. Love you. Bye. Have a blessed day today. Bye-bye.